Welcome back to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal una vez más. This is Angel Rufino, your host, and Daniel Rufino, two hosts. Today we're gonna prepare son yaniqueque o empanadas. So hoy vamos a preparar un par de yaniqueque o empanadas. So because we can't go out after 8 o'clock, we have a curfew here, porque no podemos salir después de las 8 de la noche. We're gonna prepare this delicious empanada like you never seen it before. Vamos a preparar estas empanadas porque no podemos salir después de las 8 como usted nunca lo va a ver anteriormente. So let me show you the menu. So we got the gorgeous empanadas here. Gorgeous empanadas. We have the eggs right here. We have the oil over here. We got some mozzarella cheese, corn, and we got some hams, and of course we got the, what's this? Oh, we got the flour over here. Sorry, forgot about the flour. Yeah. So tenemos los huevos, tenemos el aceite, tenemos caldero, tenemos la mozzarella, tenemos jamón, tenemos los discos y tenemos el maíz. So vamos a preparar empanada de todo tipo para que aprendamos aquí con el chef, the master chef, con el master chef. Check it out. So first we're gonna add a little bit of flour. We're gonna add it right over there so we can play. So vamos a agregarle un poquito de harina para la mano. That's the first step right here. Now gonna put the first one right over here. And my secret, totally forgot about my secret. We got this bottle. Clean it up first, of course. Este es mi secreto. Límpiela primero la botella. And you go like this. You see, it's getting there. Open up. We're not playing here. Estamos jugando aquí. And now we put the corn and we put all the ingredients. Ahora ponemos todos los ingredientes aquí adentro en la masa. So you mix it up the ingredient. We have ham, cheese, and corn. So los ingredientes los mezclamos. Tenemos jamón, queso y maíz. Lo mezclamos. Y ahora se lo ponemos aquí. Ponemos mucho. And now we're gonna go like this. Vamos ahora y lo cerramos. First of all, you close it with your finger first. Lo cerramos con los dedos primero. Ahí. Now we close it with the bottle. Ahora lo cerramos con la botella. We go like this. And now we cut it with the knife. We cut it with the knife, lo cortamos con esto. And now what we also do, can close it like this, and it will be better. So, también lo cerramos con este cubierto. And now, and we just got the first one. This one is ready to go. Now you put it separate, start making 2, 3, 4, and then they're gonna be ready to fry. Y vamos a hacer 3 o 4, la almacenamos y ya van a estar listas para freír. So le echamos el aceite cuando terminemos y la comenzamos a freír. Se lo enseño en el próximo video. So this is the final product. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5, 6 of them. Este es el producto final. Tenemos 6 empanadas now. So we're gonna fry it now. So let's put the oil and we're gonna fry it right over there now. Okay. So vamos a ponerla ahí para freírla ahora. Let's check it out. So now we add the oil, but ahora agregamos el aceite, and we got the empanadas over there. And don't wait until it burns, because it's gonna burn. Every time that you just wanna check it out, turn it so you can see both sides. And once it turns like kind of gold, that's when the empanadas are ready. So básicamente, para que no se le queme, usted lo voltea de un lado a otro. Y ahí usted puede ver cuando la empanada ya está lista. Y lo voltea de un lado a otro ahí. Okay. So we're done with the fry right now. Well, we're still frying. Van a ver el resultado de cómo quedó las empanadas. So miren qué belleza. So check it out. What beauty. The beauty right there. Okay, right now we're gonna do the egg one, really hard. So you have to get one, get the second one. So tú tienes que agarrar la primera, agarrar la segunda, put one on top of the other one, and basically you have to play like this. So tú tienes que jugar con esto. You have to close it up. You close it up, close it up, close it up, close it up. I have to close it up really good. You make a hole over here and you're gonna throw it up the egg over there. So tú vas a hacer un hole, abrirlo ahí y para meter el huevo básicamente ahí adentro. As you see it, this is the last product right here, the eggs. So como pueden ver, este es el último producto final. We got it right here, the final product. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Empanadas time today. Empanadas time today.